So I'm just doing a quick construction update. I'm here at Drayton Manor today. I'm just going to show you guys some track pieces, well, the more support pieces. So I'll show you those now, and then we'll go in the park and I'll show you guys some of the construction that's taking place. Here we are, here by all the new supports. That one's very chunky over there. Also, the label is flipped over, but on the other side, where it's a spinning coaster, they've put a sticker on it to cover it, which is interesting. But you can definitely read it on this one there, like right there. I'm just gonna do another shot so I can show you. Do another shot so I can show you. But yeah, look how much there is. It's literally full. There's a giant one over there. Those over there. It's amazing. So much to see. But yeah, I'll give a zoom in on that one there. I think you can read it. Here we are. Spinning coaster, Drayton Manor. There we go. That's proof, guys. That's proof. Here's some more here. They've put a label on it covering, so you can't see that it's a spinning coaster. Just going to go down over here, have a look at this side. They've all got the numbers on it. It's quite a lot to see. So many supports. This should be all of the supports of the ride, really. There's so much here. But yeah, let's head on round. Here we are.
Just get in there.
Yeah, look, another one covered up, but up there, not covered up. It's a spinning coaster. Yeah. Got all this, amazing. All of it's here, isn't it? All of the supports. Very cool. So a big rock, and then some electrical thing covered up there with the blue tarpaulin over it. But yeah, quick construction update for you there. Look at that one over there, that's huge. Look at this one, that's huge. Mud. I'm sure it takes me there. Oh, there's a big truck. That's looking around the ceiling.